If you want to use the panel in English, there is an option to change language on the home screen. Go to the table and turn on the system by pressing Start on the control panel. The pre-planned lecture starts and ends automatically. You do not need to start the recording manually. Send a request for a pre-planned lecture to loengusalvestukset@taltech.ee. You can verify the sound by checking the sound levels displayed on the edges of the screen. Wait until Active and the recording duration appears on the screen. The red light will also light up under the control panel. The recording can be paused and continued. When the recording is paused, pause will appear on the screen, and the red light under the control panel will start flashing. The recording can also be extended by pressing Extend Capture and selecting the duration. Also, the recording can be finished earlier using the LCD screen on the table. echo360 recording can also be started manually in the classroom by pressing the Record button on the touchscreen. To start recording, delete the previous title and add a new title and select Confirm. Set the recording duration in minutes and press Confirm. A message will appear on the screen confirming that the recording has been sent to the system. To associate the recording with your user, write to loengusalvestukset@taltech.ee. Once the recording is complete, turn off the system and log out of the desktop computer.